In the beginning, the governing documents are set by the developer. There's the bylaws, there's the covenants, conditions, and restrictions, which are CC&Rs. There's articles of incorporation, typically. So those are the three governing documents. From that point on, rules can be made typically when the CC&Rs allow boards to make reasonable rules. And that decision and how that happens is the board of directors has the ability to make those rules. In California, they don't get to do that until the whole community is given notice of what those rules are proposed to be and have a chance to comment and give input on them, and then the board can put them in place.
And your rules can't contradict your governing documents. So you want to be careful when you put your rules in place that they are supplemental to your governing documents, not contradictory.
If they do contradict, the CC&Rs are above the operating rules. So if there's a contradiction, you look to the CC&Rs to see how that plays itself out. And then the rule should be changed if there's a contradiction, so that, like you said, it's in that they have the same rule. Mm-hmm. Typically, just a quick thing for you out there too, in the CC&Rs, where you want to find the rules, so to speak, within the CC&Rs, you'd typically look under use restrictions. That's where you can't have a clothesline, or you can't park certain types of vehicles in certain places within the association. You can get some of those general rules in the use restrictions of the CC&Rs, and then typically the operating rules that boards put into place get into more detail.